Hello kids, we are making different shapes today. So make with me. This is a round circle. Perfect. We can give number to this circle, that is 1. Another shape, can you guess? It is square. We can give number to this square. Number 2. Now we are making a different shape, that is triangle. We can give number 3. Now guess the shape. This is rectangle. And number 4.